Hey guys, ZOTH Testnet is live on Movement Testnet and Berachain Testnet. And today I'll show you how to convert to the testnet to earn your magnet. The more magnets you earn, the greater the testnet reward. First thing to do is to connect your wallet to ZOTH Atlas. You find the link in the description. Click Connect Wallet. Select the wallet of your choice. Accept the connection request in your wallet. Click Sign. Accept the signature request, and now you are logged into ZOTH Atlas. On the overview section, paste my referral code to earn more magnets and click submit. After entering my invite code, the next thing to do is to join the ZOTH Discord. You'll find the link to the ZOTH Discord in the description to join the Discord and verify your account. After joining the Discord, scroll down to the partner tax section and complete these social tags to earn more magnets. For the quiz, and now for the main interaction on this testnet, you will be minting the ZEUSD on Berachain and Movement Testnet. To start your mint, click the Mint ZEUSD button. You can also visit the mint page by clicking on Pools in the menu, and you will see the liquidity pool. You can mint ZEUSD on Berachain by providing honey, or on the Movement Testnet by providing USDC or USD. So to mint ZEUSD on Berachain, click on the Berachain LP card. In the deposit tab, enter the amount of money you want to supply and click next. Accept the approval request in your wallet and wait for 5 seconds for the page to reload. I just deposited 3 honey and I earned 0.03 magnets. So the more stable coins you deposit to each liquidity pool, the more magnets you earn. For each ZEUSD you mint, you earn 0.01 magnet. If you don't have honey or you are new to Berachain, click this button, paste your wallet address in the text box, complete the captcha, and click drip tokens. You will also find a link to other Berachain faucets in the description, so you can use them to get some Bera. Once you've gotten some Bera, you can swap it for honey on Bex. You find the link in the description, enter the amount of Bera you want to swap, click review, click swap, and accept the request in your wallet. So now I've swapped some Bera for honey. Now to mint ZEUSD on Movement EVM, click the Movement LP card. Here you can mint ZEUSD with USDC or USDT. I'll be using USDC. Enter the amount of USDC you want to supply, click next, accept the approval request in your wallet, and wait for 5 seconds for the page to reload. So now I've supplied some USDC for ZEUSD. As you can see here, I just supplied about 5,500 USDC and I got about 55 magnets. If you don't have USDC or USDT on Movement EVM, click this link and click this link. It will take you to the Movement faucet. Here you can claim Move, which you use to pay for gas on the Movement Testnet. So provide your EVM address, complete the captcha, and click Get Move. To get your USDC and USDT, scroll down and you'll see the mock token section. Click the drop down menu to select EVM, click Connect Wallet, select your wallet, accept the request in your wallet, click the drop down to select the token you want to mint, which is in this case USDC or USDT. But I prefer to mint all the tokens at once, so scroll down, click all, and click mint. Accept the request in your wallet, and now you will get USDC and USDT. So that's it about the ZOTH Atlas testnet for now. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more ZOTH Atlas testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. You will also find guides for the Movement Testnet and the Berachain Testnet. You really love the guides for the Movement Testnet because you find all the tough calcs quiz answers, some of the secret codes for the Atlas, Rumble, and quizzes, and so many other cool stuff to help you complete as many quests as possible on the Movement Testnet. If you haven't joined the Center Testnet, Check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. You will also find other testnets to join in the bonus section of this video description. XENEA has launched their airdrop campaign, so check out the link in the description, sign up and start claiming gems every day. Don't forget, we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up for some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So keep minting your ZEUSD daily, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.